My name is Stefan Krienelke. I have a car service in Düsseldorf in Germany where we take care of cleaning up vintage cars, young timers, and lease returns. One of our specialties is dry ice blasting. For over 10 years, we've been meticulously cleaning car underbodies, engine compartments, and even the interiors. During all that time, we've been searching for ways to optimize cleaning cars. We quickly discovered the COOLMASTER, which is how I ended up becoming an enthusiastic user and distribution partner for the North Rhine-Westphalia area. And now I'll show you the COOLMASTER. First of all, let me introduce you to our blasting material. Contrary to many assumptions, this is not frozen water, but highly compressed carbon dioxide. The intriguing thing about this material is that each time it hits a surface, a small explosion occurs, and every single pellet returns to its original shape in gaseous form, expanding 700 times in the process. So that means that a small micro-explosion takes place on the surface that blasts contaminants directly off the surface. That's the fascinating thing about it, and we take advantage of that. So, now I would like to explain the COOLMASTER to you. In order to do that, we have to connect the device first. Here we have our flexible lightweight hose, which is simply connected here. The hose is connected. Now we need compressed air and electricity. I've shown you the blasting material. Now I'll talk more about the COOLMASTER. We have three settings. Number 1 is the pressure. Number 2 is the amount of blasting material. And number 3 is the particle size. First, let's look at the pressure. The fascinating thing about this device is that we can start the device at 10 bars and 1,000 liters per minute and can make fine adjustments from 0.5 to 10 bars digitally controlled. Then there is the amount of blasting material. Here, we can adjust it finely in a range of 3 to 35 kilograms per hour and can thus regulate the intensity on the surface. And now we come to, in my opinion, the most important point of the COOLMASTER. Point 3, that's the particle size. Here, the COOLMASTER can actually grind 3mm ice pellets down to 0.3 millimeters in the machine before the compressed air intake, in order to blast even the smallest impurities off the surface. So I've shown you the three advantages of the COOLMASTER. Now I will go over its application. I fill the device with dry ice pellets and will now show you the different particle sizes. We have here a very smooth, soft, homogeneous jet with ice pellets that have already been ground down in size. This jet is fine at first. Now you can clearly see how the particle size increases. The fascinating thing is, the smaller the particles are, the more finely we can remove the corresponding contaminants and scarring. And now I come to use with a flat jet nozzle, which I can easily screw onto the gun. The size of the particle must be matched to the color of the nozzle, so that the particle is small enough to escape from this flat jet nozzle. Delivery includes the super flexible hose, 3 meters long, a gun equipped with LED lights and 3 standard jet nozzles, a flat jet nozzle and 2 round jet nozzles, which match their respective particle size. So now we have the whole theatrical stuff behind us. I'll just show you why I became a huge fan of the COOLMASTER. Here's a really fascinating example why. Here I have a business card. I can turn on the device now at the lowest level. I am now able to blast the color off of a business card. This is how we can use it for cleaning interiors, headliners, sun visors, or even all ventilation nozzles. But what we mainly do is removing old, dilapidated underbody protection on cars with the latest setting without damaging the surface. And that's absolutely fascinating.